Welcome Deltas, my name is El Senor from Delta One Trading. It's Sunday and we start the day trading show. Sunday is our construction day. We look on this week and give a preview for the next week. We speak about the 0DTE options gamble and technical levels on indices. Do you like the show? Then give us a thumb up and please subscribe to this channel.
Delta One Trading, the real pros.
This week was very slow on highlights. We zooming in the SP 500. Folks, I speak with easy words on the market. I want that everybody understand the markets. I see many videos about macro news trading and this is all complicated. Bullshit, and you never understand this. Okay, we see the week in SP 500. This is the 1 hour time frame, the most traders searching for the technical levels. We searching for a catalyst for market explosions. This can be Fed speak, econ data or stock news. Big mover moved the indices. We had several technical levels and trend indicator. Monday and Tuesday moved this on the 50 DMA level. On this zone is the magic 4K level and CTA level also watching. CTR are trend machines for buying and selling. These machines flooding the markets with money. On the 1st March they came a hotter CPI in Germany that shocked the markets a little bit. And Thursday was a Fed speaker narrative on the screen. Bostic statement was a catalyst for the markets. You have a good news ticker and track all assets you can trade it. The market think again that Fed makes a pause on hikes. Oh man, all explode higher. It's ridiculous, but that's the market. On Friday, we go to the trade the 0DTE flow and make money on it. All live for our premium members on Discord. Okay, let's look on the next week. We on Notion on the econ data calendar. Sunday I search about the next week risk events. Data comes from a simple and free sources like Forex calendar. I take my time for this. I can see and make a plan for my trades. On Monday, we see the Australian cash rate. The boss is the Fed, but what makes the other central banks? Tuesday is a risk event. Powell testifies on the Congress. We're looking at this time on our news ticker and cross assets. We track all moves. When Powell makes a statement, is all possible. We must screening from Monday to Friday the big mover stocks. This is for moves very important. Wednesday is Lagarde on the mic. Then another rate statement. And 10 a.m. second round for Powell. Jolt's job coming similarly in. Bond auction. Let us see how many offers come. Bad offers can influence the stock market. After all the noise, we become the newest data from China. In the London Open, we have earnings from Adidas and Continental. Big mover from DAX. Adidas is a sector play to Nike at the US Open. Don't forget this. Thursday speaks another Fed member. Another day, another central bank statement. And Friday is a high risk event with his NFPs. This is the most anticipated highlight in this week. This data needs the Fed for his rate cycle. The data was immediately priced in about this time. For more scenarios on this day, try a 14-day trial membership on Discord. Link is in the description. Let's see the big picture on the SP 500. Here is the SP 500 big picture. Time frame daily. We have all the important trends and indicators like the DMAs 50, 100, 200 in this chart. We see a short trend all this month. At February, break out the stuff and moves higher. On this time frame, you can see these levels very good. Now we are in no man's land. We're waiting for the next catalyst like non-farm payrolls or something. Thank you for watching the Day Trading Show. For more trades and scenarios, come to our Discord server. Please give the video thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more good videos. Bye bye.
Delta One Trading, the real pros.